you think of a cell, what is the most attractive thing about it? Is it a ribosome? Is it a lysosome? Is it the endoplasmic reticulum? No! False. It is the nucleus. This tomato has a nucleus, and even this tomato has a nucleus.
I have a nucleus.
They're so juicy. I don't need a nucleus to be cool. What are you, a prokaryote?
Welcome to the cell. This way to the nucleus.
Welcome to the double membrane nuclear envelope. This is one of the pores. I am the protein guarding it. You can only enter if you are a protein or a large macromolecule that I deem worthy.
Thank you. Can we come in?
Yeah.
Right here we see chromatin. Chromatin makes up chromosomes and is composed of protein and DNA. Come a little closer this way, and you'll see the nucleolus. Go ahead and enter.
Now we're in the nucleolus. The nucleolus is where ribosomes are made by rRNA. The rRNA synthesizes with the proteins and creates little subunits of the ribosomes. The subunits then combine outside of the nucleolus to form ribosomes that are then transported to other parts of the cell where they are needed.
Nucleus is right here, big, most important part of the cell.
This is a diagram of a cell nucleus. This is the double membrane of the nuclear envelope that surrounds it. It's lined by pores that allow proteins and rRNA to pass through. This is the nucleolus. It's non-membrane bound, and it's where DNA is stored in the form of chromosomes. All of this is nucleoplasm, which is basically like cytoplasm, but inside of a nucleus. In conclusion, reasons you should buy a nucleus.
The nucleus contains the DNA of the cell, so without a nucleus, your cell won't be able to reproduce.
Without DNA, you can't make proteins or do anything, right? It's all important.
Yep.
The video's
Okay. So now, let's talk about some functions of the nucleus.
Yay.
That's so scripted. The nucleus contains most of the genes in a eukaryotic cell.
Really?
It does.
Wow.
It's also generally the most conspicuous. It's also generally, it's
Interesting.
also, it's generally the most conspicuous organelle within a cell.
DNA in the nucleus is organized into chromosomes made up by chromatins.
And what are those?
Series of DNA and protein wound together to form chromosomes.
Yeah,
Wow,
Kai.
interesting.
Stupid.
So in the nucleus, there's also this thing called the nucleolus, which is a non-membrane bound structure.
Oh shit. Is it like a nucleus for the nucleus?
And-
The nucleus is so interesting.
Kai. Oh my god.
In the nucleolus,
It's like a talk show.
in the nucleolus,
The
rRNA.
tomato sitting there.
Cut.
No.
And then we'll cut there.
No, because I have to talk about the nucleolus. Okay.
Action. No, talk about the nucleolus, please.
In the nucleolus,
Less boring, though. Cut.
Stop.
And go. 3, 2, 1.
In the nucleolus, and then the ribosomes. You keep getting your phone. It's over. In the nucleolus. Actually.
We get a lot of bloopers.
Okay. In the nucleolus. In the nucleolus. In the nucleolus. In the nucleolus. Sorry, no, I'm just whatever I say after. Okay. In the nucleolus.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
I was actually gonna get it that
No,
time.
you weren't. Let's be honest.
In the nucleolus, rRNA is synthesized with